Introducing Task Planner, an app designed to organize your daily activities. Developed using Flutter by Ruben Fernandez and Delano Lorenzo, we started with no prior knowledge of Flutter and created this app in just a few weeks, all while balancing our busy schedules. Opening the app for the first time, you will be asked to grant notification permissions. After clicking Get Started, you'll be prompted to enter your username and birthday. For this demonstration, I'll enter my username as Ruben and my birthday as 16th September. Once we are done, we click on Register. This is the homepage where various information will be displayed. To create tasks, click on Create in the navbar. Let's create a task using this prompt. I wake up at 6, go to work at 8, return home by 4. Then study Japanese after an hour. I work on coding projects. Then I listen to music, and by 11 at night, I go to bed. Tasks will be generated below using the Google Gemini API. Here are my tasks. I don't want to do coding project task, so I'll delete it by pressing the delete icon on the task. The coding project task has been removed. Now, I feel like editing the contents of the sleep schedule. I'll click on the icon to the left of the delete icon, which allows us to modify the task's info. I will change the time, description, category, and title. Once I'm satisfied with the tasks generated, I will click Done, which will store the tasks on our device. Let's view our tasks by clicking on the Tasks option in the bottom navbar. Here are the tasks we generated in the Create page. When a task starts, a notification will be sent to the user's device with information about the current task, including its start and end times. Here is an example of our homepage when tasks are added to our local database. The Current Tasks section displays the task currently happening. The Analysis of Tasks section shows a pie chart of task categories with the percentage of each category. Below the pie chart, the Progress section displays the percentage of the month and year that has passed. Now, if we click on the top right icon, which is the logout icon, we will be given an option to delete our existing account along with the stored tasks. If we click OK, your account information and tasks will be deleted, and you will be redirected to the Getting Started page.